BBAI stock still remains in a bullish trend, even though it has lost 64% from its all-time high of $9.7 or thereabout. So yesterday, Friday the 25th, the company announced it will supply AI-powered manufacturing platform to shipbuilder Hostal USA. The platform, known as Shipyard AI, will be deployed at Hostal's facility in Mobile, Alabama, as part of a broader modernization effort. Hostal is one of the largest shipbuilders in the US and supply of submarine modules to the US Navy. BBAI said the software aims to streamline capacity planning and reduce production delays by optimizing the use of labor and real estate. The goal is to boost shipbuilding efficiency and maintain timely delivery of vessels under tight budget and schedule constraints. The CEO of the company noted in a statement that the collaboration will support the U.S. national defense efforts and help scale submarine production capabilities. And also went on to add that Shipyard AI was deployed specifically to meet the demands of shipyard planners and builders. Yeah, that's what we're looking at right now. Yeah, we know very well that on the 18th of March, the company restated its financials for 2021, and it led to a 14.9% decline to $2.97. So it has recovered from those sort of levels, and who knows whether it can retest the highs of the highs of 9.7, 9.8, $9.81. Who knows? But the good thing about this is that if there are upper projections here, we have there are no upper projection, but we can compute ours. We can compute ours. Who says we can't? Um, we'll have a downward projection of 2.94, but upper projections, they are, for instance, which is proving to be a resistance, 4.07. The probability of that printing is absolutely there, so it is proving to be a resistance. The last time it was restated was on the 28th of March. And it's still relevant because you can see the extrapolation of the price is indicating that it's not going to. This is extrapolation. This is not what. This is just extrapolation. There's no guarantee that it will happen. Okay, so, but based on the computations of the algos, it is that it will. It's going to be a stiff resistance. 405 or 407. It's going to prove a stiff resistance. So as such, as things stand right now, it's gonna there's BBAI has a bias to the downside for at least the best part of in fact the yeah for the best part of May and into early June. This is how things stand right now. All of this can change. This is subject to change. So subject to change based on new circumstances and all that. So this is how things stand right now. So we can try and compute our own projections. We can do this. We can take 3.11 and remove 2.35 from it. So we will have, what are we going to have there? We're going to have 7.6, 0.76 will be the difference. 0.76 multiplied by 1.618. We add that to the current price of 3.53. We have 4.75, 4.76. That's our projection, and the probability of that happening is there. 4.76. I need to just have a look and see if we have previous projections for BBAI. Let's see, BBAI. Do we have? Yeah, let me just quickly scan through and see if we have any. I can't see any projection at the moment, so we'll take note of this. 4.76 is the projection for BBAI. 4.76. We could try and project again. Who says we can't? 0.76 multiplied by 2.618. We add that to the current price of 3.53. We'll have 5.52. 5.52. 5.52. Yeah. We can just quickly have a look at the 4 hour chart and see what's going on. The probability of these projections are probability of them printing is there because it has already printed them. Let's see now. Come back to the 4 hour chart. It's quite positive, at least in the coming days, at least for the next week. We have next week up till Friday, the 2nd of May. It's a bullish. It's a bullish extrapolation that we have here, as you can clearly see. Yeah, higher prices are projected. Then after that, we might get a correction towards the Tuesday, the 6th of May. Yeah, here I don't think we have any projections. We don't have upper projections. 2.65 is a down projection. So even regardless of all of these resistances, the algos are projecting that strength is going to come in. So something good is expected. Something good is expected this week. That will end on Friday, the 2nd of May. Yeah. So this is how things stand right now. Okay. We have a couple of resistances that might prove tough in the future. 6.68, 8.22, and all of these, the probability of them printing is there. Not may not be that fantastic, but it's still there because it's just coming down from those highs. Let's see what we can see now. 6.72. Yeah, you can see now. Look over here. You see the moving averages. This is where the moving averages. You can see here the moving average. This is the first figure is the 10 period moving average, which is what I'm considering at the moment. You can see it is 8.44, and the projection we have here is 6.68. So the probability of it printing 6.68 is more than 50%. So this you could just conclude that this is a highly volatile stock, highly volatile, really quite volatile. It has the potential to spring a surprise. Yeah. So see what you make of BBAI, and thank you very much for watching this video.